Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Wind of Change on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning, E-A-D, G-B-E for the correct pitch. We'll focus on 4 essential open chords: C major, G major, a minor, and F major. These chords form the backbone of the entire song. Practice transitioning between them smoothly, paying close attention to your finger placement and strumming hand. Getting these basics down will set you up for success. Next, let's tackle that unforgettable whistle intro. This melody is played on the B and high E strings, primarily using notes from the C major scale. You'll start around the 8th fret, carefully picking each note to match the original tune. Focus on clear articulation and a smooth legato feel. A clean guitar tone with a hint of reverb will help you capture that classic, atmospheric sound perfectly. It's a simple yet powerful part. Now, let's move to the verse and chorus sections. The verse primarily uses a C-G, a minor F major chord progression, repeating this sequence. The chorus also utilizes this familiar C-G, a minor F major pattern, but often with a more emphatic strumming pattern to build intensity. Aim for a consistent rhythm, typically playing each chord for 4 beats. Pay attention to the lyrical phrasing to guide your strumming dynamics and ensure a cohesive sound. Finally, we'll touch upon the guitar solo and the out row. The solo is predominantly in the key of C major, incorporating both pentatonic and diatonic scale shapes. Concentrate on expressive string bending and a controlled vibrato to give the melodic lines their characteristic feel. For the out row, the song typically repeats the main C-G, a minor F major chord progression, gradually fading out. Practice a smooth, consistent strum as the volume decreases, bringing the song to a gentle close.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.